Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on IC markets. Right now we are having Bitcoin here standing on this chart, and if you want to create a stop loss, we can just simply click here on new order and then select right here your order type. Then after that, select the volume that you want to create your position with. So 0.10 Bitcoin is fine. And then we click here on the plus icon, and then you will see this orange line. If you click on that and hold it, we can put it where we want. So let's say we want to put this one on 60,000 like this, or we can fill in just simply right here 60K. And then if you now click on buy by market, we just created a order with a stop loss, if you can see, at 60 grand. So this is how you can stop loss on IC markets. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for, and thanks for watching. Ciao.